Great guide on how to make money through the stock market. Learning about the stock market is one of the most important steps in making the best investments and the most profits. Be sure to carefully consider each investment before you put your hard-earned money into the market. Get some excellent tips regarding the stock market by watching this video, and you will be able to make money right away. Don't expect too much too soon from the stock market. If you think that you will make a mountain of money immediately, you are mistaken. The only way to make a significant return on your money is to take on a very risky stock. While there's a chance you may be successful, more likely than not you will end up losing some or all of your money. Exercise patience and control in your investments. The stock market tends to have many investment opportunities that are favorable one day, and not so favorable the next. Keep up with long-term investments rather than getting caught up in flash-in-the-pan opportunities that may fizzle out in no time. Diversify your investments. Don't put all of your eggs into one basket. If you have everything you've invested in a single stock and it flops, you'll be in a lot of trouble. Make sure that your investments regularly have the opportunity to grow by setting up an automatic payment from your daily account to your investment account. Set up an automatic transfer to occur on payday so that you are effectively paying yourself like any other bill. And then watch your investments' monies grow. Create your own index fund. Choose an index you would like to track, like the Nasdaq or Dow Jones. Buy the individual stocks that are on that index on your own, and you can get the dividends and results of an index mutual fund without paying someone else to manage it. Just be sure to keep your stock list up to date to match the index you track. Stick to a basic investing plan when you are new to investing. Trying to implement every strategy you read so you can diversify your portfolio can end up in disaster. You will end up saving a lot of money as time goes by. The more patience you display in your investing, and the better informed you are about your investments, the more likely you will be to succeed. While it is not necessary to have a degree in business or finance, it is crucial that you remain informed with regard to each company. Use the tips you learned from this video in order to start seeing your money multiply. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.